Hi guys, welcome to Off the 10th Beer Reviews. My name is Chris. You already know what my name is, I hope by now. If you're subbed, you know who I am. If you're not subbed, come get to know me. Today I'm going to crack a beer, and I've got a little bit of a thing over here, right there, I received in the mail. Yes, that's right. I received a package this morning. I'm not going to lie, I knew it was coming, but I don't know what's in the package. All I know is that it's liquid, and it's from a good friend of mine, Dan, the Western Canadian reviewer. Obviously, I'm going to link him right over here somewhere, right about there. Go out and sub to this guy. He's a great beer reviewer. He's from Alberta. He's in Calgary specifically, and he is at 660 subs right now, and we need to get this guy boosted up big time. So I'm gonna drink out of the Rajay Beer Ventures glass, and I didn't hard pour it. So Brian, I'm sorry. I'm getting used to doing it, and I do it when I know I'm gonna do it. But if I'm just pouring a beer, I sometimes just forget. So don't sue me. Anyway, I'm drinking Blackburn Old Scow Lager. Good beer, solid beer. But you all came for this, and I fucking just got out of work, and I really wanted to open this. I haven't even opened this yet. Gonna get the trusty opener knife thing that I have with me, and struggle with this on camera, and try to do this all in one take. Hopefully I can, because I mean I do have roommates who sometimes have a tendency of bothering me. So let's see if I can get into this package. I don't know if it's upside down. I don't know what's going on here, but let's see. Let's open it from this side. Okay, so we got one side open. That's all I need. Wow, probably just shook the camera like crazy there. See, I knew I should have pre-opened this without looking at what's in it. Alright, so we got her open. I am going to figure out how I'm going to do this right now. Actually, you know what? I'll leave this right here. You might not see my ugly mug, but regardless, I'm going to go in here. Oh, and they're nicely packaged. I love it. Alright, so first, that's the same thing I do. Just wrap them up in bubble wrap and just fucking pray to God that it makes it. It's the best thing. Dan and I, we exchange beers once in a while, and I was actually happy to be able to do this one. And oh my God, we're starting off with a nice fucking beer. This is from the Establishment Brewing out of, I think they're out of Calgary. Yeah, out of Calgary, Alberta. This is called Liquid Light. This is the Imperial West Coast IPA, coming in at 8.3% alcohol by volume. Dope, love it. Okay, so let's try to figure out what we're going to do here. We're going to put this right here. Sure, there's the first one. All right, if they fall, they fall. If they die, they die. All right, next one. Paper. Oh, this one's in a. No, this is a repack. What's going on here? And in a Ziploc bag. Now, he didn't say that they were all beers, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go one at a time here. It's gonna be a longer video than I thought it was gonna be, but all right. So, all right, what do we got here? Oh, nice. He sent me from Cold Garden. This is Inglewood iced tea. Yay! Hard iced tea. It's coming in at 5% alcohol by volume. Nice. Inglewood. Nice. I'm gonna put that right here. Sure. Next one. Could be another cooler. Let's see. He knows I like my coolers. I'm actually drinking a beer on a Thursday, which I normally don't drink my beers into the weekend. But okay, this is this is the worst writing in the world, because it is red and silver writing on a black and silver writing on a red background. This is Tiger's Tea. This would be an elegant cognac green tea cocktail. Coming in at 5% alcohol by volume. I like that artwork. Nice. That's awesome. All right, let's put that right there. And the third one out of this, let's see what we got here. Any new Ziploc bag is perfect. All right, and the third one here, we've got from Happy Trails. This is the Canyon Citrus Twist. It's a lemon, grapefruit, and gin cocktail. Oh, I'm all about this. 5% alcohol by volume. That looks pretty cool too. All right, so you know what we're gonna do now? Now we're gonna move some stuff around. Totally did not get this planned and ready to go. Let's move that over. Englewood down here. Put this one right here for now. Okay. Ooh, I like the establishment brewing a little bit. Oh, there it is. The Rattler. The rattle that's in the box every time. I'm going to, next time I send him one, I got to remember where I put this because I got to hide it, hide the beers in the box. Old school trick, I guess. All right. Oh. Another one. Is that my old one? Is that the, no, that's not the one I sent him, is it? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, the box is now empty. I just pulled out what was in there. Paper. Okay, 3 more beers here. I don't know if they're beers for sure, but 3 more here. So now we can do this. Oh, there we go. Alright, first one. Open this up. Oh, I'm so stoked. I love it. Oh, they're pretty cool too. I might actually have one of those there. No, I'm going to review all these, Dan, by the way, if you're watching this video. Oh, another one from... Oh, this one looks interesting. This is another one from the Establishment Brewing. This is Moonshake Hazy IPA. 6.5% alcohol by volume. Nice black and white can. Now, that actually looks pretty dope. I like that. I really like that. And what do we got here? Oh, someone went to the establishment and picked up a whole bunch of beers. I love it because this is another one from the Establishment Brewing. This is Chromitia. Yes, sure. Imperial Hazy IPA. Ooh, 8.2% alcohol by volume. Dan, you're spoiling me. I love it. I love it. I'm going to have to get you some Imperial Stouts and Imperial IPAs or doubles or whatever one comes. Last one. Last one. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is a peach hard iced tea. Nice. Trouble tea. Nice. That looks good. 5% alcohol by volume. That's what we got there. Oh, let's put that right here. Put it right in front of the camera. And there's the haul. Thank you very much, Dan. I really appreciate this. Again, sub to Dan. He's the Western Canadian reviewer. He's good shit. And hopefully he can make it down for the next beer tuber or brew tuber get together. Maybe. You never know. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll be reviewing all of these drinks at some point, so bear with me. I think I already know which one I really want to try first, so that might be coming up sooner than later. Anyway, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.